welcome to India Sisters Kitchen. This is Amu and
Lata. Today we are going to make delicious, excellent medu vada that's crispy on the outside and soft on the inside with onions, ginger and green chillis. Now let's see how to make it.
Before that, please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video.
Here I have a 1/4 kg black gram, 2 teaspoons of Bengal gram and 2 teaspoons of raw rice. Soaked for 4 hours. Drain the water and have it ready. The Bengal gram is added for crispiness and golden color. Raw rice is added to get crispiness. Now add this to a mixie jar and grind it smoothly, adding water little after little. It should be smooth like this. If you drop a little bit of this paste in water, it should float like this. So this is in perfect condition.
Beat the batter for 1 minute like this.
Beating it like this makes it fluffy and soft inside.
I have beaten the batter well for 1 minute next.
Now add 2 medium-sized chopped onions into batter. Also add 1/2 inch chopped ginger, 5 chopped green chillis, 1 teaspoon salt, a handful of chopped coriander leaves, and some curry leaves. Mix everything well. Now turn on the stove and heat oil in a pan. Add the batter to the oil by making vadas like this. As soon as you add it, it should rise like this. The oil is heated at the right temperature. Now you can put it on a medium flame and fry it. Every time you make the batter into a vada shape, dip your hands in water. After the oil was well heated, we put it on medium flame and then we have to drop the vada batter into the oil so that the vada won't take too much of oil. If you add batter without oil at the right temperature, the batter will suck too much of oil. Turn the vada slowly.
They are nice, round and beautiful, right?
Yes.
Vada can be eaten alone or with chutney. We added onion, so it can be eaten just as it is. Still, it will be tastier. You can eat with coffee and tea as well.
Yes.
Akka, we can eat this with payasam also.
Yes, it will taste nice as a sweet and karam combination.
Also with mutton curry or chicken curry, it will be even more delicious too.
See, the vada is cooked nicely. When the oil is settled well, it means the vada has cooked well. You can also fry this in many batches. Ammo, it's very tempting. Let me try one.
We'll try eating one.
It's good. Crispy outside and soft inside. It has come out well. If you try using these measurements, it will turn out good. All vadas are done frying. We used 1/4 kg black gram for 25 vadas. You try using whatever quantity depending upon how many vadas you want. It came out perfectly crispy outside and soft inside. You should also try this.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thank you.